Hi everyone, my name is Chris. I'm a stay-at-home mom of two, and I've wanted to pursue my MSW for many years now. At this stage in my life, it makes a lot of sense. My youngest just started preschool, so within the next couple years, he'll be going to school full time, and I'm looking to go back to work into the field of social work. So I can use this time to kind of prepare myself for that, and getting my MSW will open more doors to me and also will help me entering in the field prepared and up to date on some things and sharpen the skills I previously had, as well as help me to learn some new things. So I'm really looking forward to the program. I enjoyed our first class, and I got to know some people and made some friends through that, and I found it to be a really good experience. So I'm looking forward to this class as well, and I'm looking forward to getting to know everyone. Thank you.